Are you a barber renting a booth and want to enhance your professionalism and business acumen? If so, you've come to the right place. Now let's dive into the world of barbering and explore how you can elevate your game. Consider your station as your own mini business. Yes, a business. This mindset will allow you to take ownership and strive for excellence in every aspect of your work. Think about it. When you own something, you take care of it, right? The same principle applies here. Maintaining a clean and organized workspace is not just about appearances, it's about efficiency and productivity. It's about creating an environment that allows you to deliver your best work effortlessly. Now, let's talk about personal branding. Creating your own logo or signage within the space can help set you apart. Your attire, your grooming, even the way you present yourself, these all contribute to your brand. Remember, your booth is a reflection of you. Make it a point to project professionalism at all times. Now let's dive into how you can manage your clients and services effectively. Managing your clients well is key to growing your business. But how can you do that effectively? One way is by implementing your own appointment scheduling system. This could be as simple as a diary or an online booking platform. This allows you to manage your time more efficiently and ensures your clients know exactly when they can expect to be seen. Next, consider maintaining a client book or a customer relationship management (CRM) system. This can be a treasure trove of information about your clients' preferences, their past appointments, and opportunities for follow-ups. This way, you can provide a bespoke service tailored to each client's needs and wants. Lastly, let's talk about standardizing your services. Whether you're providing a shave, a haircut, or a beard trim, it's crucial to have a set of standard operating procedures. This ensures that no matter the service, your clients will always receive the same high level of quality and care. By managing your clients and services well, you can provide a personalized and consistent experience. Now, let's transition into how you can promote your services. Promoting your services is just as vital as providing them. But where do you start? Well, you start right where you are, in the barbershop. Let your workspace do the talking. Showcase your unique style, your personal brand. Make it so irresistible that people walking by can't help but take notice. But don't stop there. Take advantage of the digital world. Social media platforms are your stage, your portfolio, your billboard. Post pictures of your work, share your barbering journey, engage with your followers, show them what you can do, and they'll come to you. Now, let's talk about loyalty programs or referral bonuses. They can be just the nudge your clients need to spread the word about your services. A small discount or a free service for a successful referral can go a long way in building a loyal customer base. Effective marketing and promotion can attract more clients and encourage repeat business. Remember, you're not just a barber, you're a brand. Next up, let's discuss how you can enhance your skills and manage your finances. Improving your skills and managing your finances are key aspects of running a successful business. How can you achieve this? In the world of barbering, staying on top of your game means continually investing in your skills. As the landscape evolves, so too should your expertise. Whether it's attending workshops, seminars, or enrolling in online courses, every bit of knowledge you gain sets you apart from the competition. Remember, your craft is not just about cutting hair. It's about understanding the latest trends and techniques. It's about being able to offer your clients more than just a haircut. It's about offering them an experience, a style, a transformation that boosts their confidence. Now, let's shift gears and talk about something equally important: financial responsibility. When you're renting a booth, you're essentially running a mini business. That means you need to keep meticulous records of your earnings, expenses, and taxes. Think of it as the backbone of your operation. You wouldn't want to build a house without a solid foundation, would you? The same applies to your business. By keeping a keen eye on your finances, you can track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your future. It's also crucial to keep your business finances separate from your personal funds. This not only the accounting process, but also provides a clear picture of your business's health. It helps you understand whether you're making a profit, breaking even or running at a loss. Like a diligent gardener, tend to your finances regularly. Prune the unnecessary expenses, water the areas that generate income, and watch your financial garden bloom. And remember, financial responsibility isn't just about the present, it's about planning for the future. Set aside a portion of your earnings for emergencies, for growth, for that rainy day. By investing in your skills and being financially responsible, you can set the stage for success. Remember, the path to success isn't always easy, but with dedication, skill, and financial acumen, you can carve out your own niche in the bustling world of barbering. Now that we've covered the importance of skills and financial responsibility, let's move on to the importance of collaboration, customer service, and health compliance. Building relationships and providing excellent service are crucial. How can you ensure this? The answer lies in networking and collaboration. Forge solid relationships with fellow barbers in the shop. A collective effort can create a vibrant atmosphere, attract more foot traffic, and increase business for everyone. But it's not just about networking, it's about delivering stellar customer service too. Developing a rapport with clients, understanding their needs, and ensuring a positive experience can encourage repeat visits and referrals. Remember, a happy customer is your best advertisement. And let's not forget, the importance of health adherence to health and safety guidelines is non-negotiable. Maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in your station not only ensures your clients' safety, but also reflects your professionalism and commitment to their well-being. By focusing on collaboration, customer service, and health compliance, you can enhance your professionalism and business acumen. So, make these elements the cornerstone of your mini-business within the barbershop. Finally, let's talk about the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Work-life balance is essential for long-term success. But how can you achieve it? One might wonder. As a barber, the line between work and personal life can often blur, especially when your station feels like a second home. However, it's crucial to establish clear boundaries to avoid burnout and ensure consistent productivity. Consider setting specific work hours and sticking to them. Your time off the clock is just as important as your time on it. It's during these periods that you recharge, engage in personal interests, and spend quality time with loved ones, all of which contribute to your overall well-being and productivity at the shop. Remember, it's not about working less, but working smarter. Take regular breaks during the day to rest and reset. This not only prevents fatigue, but also keeps your creative juices flowing, allowing you to deliver a better service to your clients. By maintaining a healthy work-life balance, you can ensure sustained productivity and avoid burnout. So take time for yourself. You've earned it.